Hello!
Oh, who's that?
It's Easter Bunny Ryan.
In November?
Oh, he bounced.
Good morning, Granite Bay.
What are you thankful for, Alexa?
Why, all of you guys, of course.
Aw, me too.
Today we'll cover winter ball information and college and career information.
As well as club promos and a quick behind the scenes video.
All that and more right here on GBTV.
Good morning, Granite Bay. Please stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Welcome back, Grizzlies. Today is Wednesday, November 16th. I'm Ann Lee.
And I'm Alexa Hudson. We have lots of news to cover today, so let's jump right in.
Are you ready to dance? Winter Ball is coming up just around the corner. It is one of our biggest dances of the year. If you'd like to bring a special someone from outside of our school, guest bids are available now and will be due on December 5th. Go to Student Services to pick them up.
And also, the student government is deciding on the theme for the dance this year. The options are Under the Night Sky, Winter Wonderland, and A Night in Paris.
Ooh, A Night in Paris sounds super fancy. Where can a French girl like moi go to vote?
Well, mademoiselle, to vote, use this link below.
Ah, merci beaucoup.
De nada.
Spanish?
Oh, I thought, you know what? Never mind. Anyways, our third annual sock drive will be held November 14th through December 2nd.
We have a goal to collect 1,500 pairs of socks.
Wow, that's a lot of sock. All donations will go to the local homeless and others in need of help to keep warm. Do your part and make the difference.
You can drop those socks off in the cafeteria, front office, or room 507. They must be new, no old, moist, stinky socks. I'm talking to you, Ryan. Oh.
What? No.
Stinky socks.
Mud. That was mud.
Okay. Next up, we have a quick promo video for the Simply Grizzly Club here on campus. Take it away.
My name is Mrs. Katani, and I teach our adult transition program here at Granite Bay, which is our special education students that are 18 and over. And we have our own student-run business called Simply Grizzly, where we make arts and crafts for either teachers, students, or parents, and we sell to them and earn money to teach job skills and life skills to our students. Students in our adult transition program really get to learn various life skills, such as learning how to take care of themselves at home, whether it's through laundry or different cleaning skills. They also learn money skills when we go out in the community, like making purchases, shopping lists, things like that. This really helps support their independence for their future. Students can help support Simply Grizzly by purchasing our arts and crafts. And when you do this, it really helps support our program, our adult transition program, so that we can go on community outings and really teach our students job skills and life skills to support their independence.
Thanks, Alex and Andrew.
As a GBHS holiday tradition, Toys for Tots is coming back to do their annual donation drive for children. Donate an unwrapped new toy to the front office, or you can drop it off on the Friday, Saturday, and Sunday after Thanksgiving, anywhere from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m.
Do you want to know what goes on in the PLTW engineering class led by Mr. Dolan? Or maybe you are a student in that class. But either way, here's a quick video to get you informed.
Hi, my name is Steve Dolan. I'm the Project Lead the Way engineering teacher here at Granite Bay High School. One of the fundamental ideas of Project Lead the Way is design first and then fabricate second. Students usually like both aspects of the design process, where we're sitting first at the computer and we're doing a lot of computer modeling. We're really creating a three-dimensional prototype of the product on the computer first, and we can be very high precision, very high accuracy on the computer. Students understand completely how the prototype will go together before they even go over to the fabrication shop. And students enjoy building and fabricating, and it's a nice connection from a teaching standpoint to be able to see the before design and then the after built prototype.
I really love our hands-on. We're building the chair currently. It's really fun because not only do we get to physically build it, but we also get to model it and see what the computer side of it is. So it's really giving us an all-viewpoint perspective of engineering.
I do hope that I can do engineering college. I want to try to have that as a career, so that's hopefully what I get into.
Definitely. I definitely want to finish off all of the classes, do the internships that are a possibility here at the school, and just pursue a career in it.
Thank you, Alexa and Amia, for that video.
Congrats to our school band, the GB Emerald Brigade, for winning
Brigade.
overall in Division 4A in the North Cal Super Show competition. They also took first for visual performance and color guard.
Way to go, Grizzlies!
The KP Launch High School program is offering a healthcare-based internship opportunity. It's a 7-week paid works experience in the summer, and you are paid minimum wage. It helps you develop professional skills and prepare for a career in healthcare while you work on community projects and social events. The internship will be held from June 19th to August 4th, 2023. Applications open on November 21st through December 23rd. You can also join the mailing list here.
Yeah. Sierra College is hosting a preview day today. The outreach team welcomes you to attend a virtual information session to learn about resources, programs, and services offered at Sierra College. Join to learn about enrollment, steps, dates, and deadlines to enroll at the college. Here's a link to register.
We have an SG Corner segment. Let's see what Alex has for us today.
What's up, Grizzlies? My name is Alex, and welcome back to SG Corner, where I give you weekly updates on what's going on around campus. I hope you've been having a great week so far and enjoying the cold, rainy weather.
What's good, Grizzlies? My name's Mustafa, and I'll be today's special guest.
Our annual sock drive is November 14th through December 2nd. Boxes where you can put your socks are located in room 507 in the cafeteria and in the office. Make sure to donate socks. Our goal this year is 1,500.
Keep an eye out for our toy drive collections. We'll be starting on December 2nd, so get those toys ready. The drive ends December 16th, and all toys will go to local underprivileged kids to bring the happiness in the holiday season.
Exciting news, Grizzlies! Winter Ball bids are out now. You can find them at Student Services for $5. They're due on December 5th. Also, make sure to submit your askings to the Winter Ball account at winner_ball 2022 for a chance to win free tickets to the dance.
Finally, remember that Breaking Down the Walls has been postponed till January. If you signed up already, you're in. If not, sign up this week's with the links provided.
Finally, make sure to follow the Student Government Instagram account at GBHS_StuGov for more info and your class Remind and Instagram accounts. Have a great day, Granite Bay. I hope you have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you next time. Go Grizzlies!
Nice bromance.
That is if I've ever seen any. Thanks, Mr. ASB President.
Are you a fan of turkey?
Like Thanksgiving turkey?
Yeah.
Nah, turkey's dry, but honey ham is where it's at.
I don't like ham, but mashed potatoes? Those are 10 out of 10.
Agreed. This is making me hungry. But speaking of which, our school has an international cooking club and the food looks pretty good. So here's a quick video.
Hi, I'm Harrison Wilson.
I'm Addie Swift.
And we're a part of the International Cooking Club. Our main goal with the International Cooking Club is to educate individuals about cooking and culinary art. Every Wednesday, watch out on my Instagram or on the International Cooking Club Instagram.
So we've only had one meeting so far, but we did make homemade pasta and there was a meat and mushroom sauce. And we've gotten really good reviews from that.
Right now we're cooking tacos, street style.
Day of the Dead today, so we decided to do Mexican food. You guys should definitely join our club, especially all the seniors out there. These are really quick and easy meals that will help you in college in case you are ever not knowing what to cook.
Also, it's a lot of fun and it's a great time.
Wait, what?
Supposed to.
So what type of things did you guys put in the meat marinade?
In here there is cilantro. Wait, let me restart. So right here we put the beef in soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, cilantro, cumin, red pepper, salt, pepper, chili flakes. Yeah.
Nice.
Who doesn't like cilantro? Cilantro. You need some cilantro.
Who used all the cilantro?
It's all on Luke's taco. Look at Luke's taco. Ask for the cilantro.
That's way too much cilantro. You need to sell now. For real. Who does that?
You spin.
Wrong way, other way.
No? Okay. Amazing. That was solid. Wow.
Okay, how do you rate it?
Like an 11.
Solid 16 out of 5, man.
Come join International Cooking
Thanks, Amy, for that video. If you're interested in what's cooking, make sure to attend their meeting today from 4:30 to 6:30. Their address is posted on their Instagram at INTL Cooking Club. Go check them out.
If you have an announcement, recognition, or story idea you want shown on the GBTV broadcast, submit it to the GBHS Weekly Bulletin form or the GBTV Request Google link form at the links below. Also be sure to follow us on Instagram at Granite Bay TV.
Have a great day, Granite Bay, and go Grizzlies!